Hello everyone, my name is Javier Carmona and today I am presenting the intense plot for my new movie. A contender from the Studio Trip contest, the title of my film is The Temptation. My movie is classified as a high-stakes suspense thriller, a genre I chose because it generates high tension and widespread suspense around of the sudden global crisis. The setting is the emergency room of a major city hospital. This specific location, sorry, this specific location is perfect because the doctors must make critical decisions under pressure while facing an unknown threat. Let's talk about patient zero. Marcus Cole. He's a strong and imposing man in his 40s who suddenly looks very confused and incredible feverish upon his arrival. He is an adventurous and determined international traveler whose symptoms operated with frightening speed. I think the talented actor Idris Elba would be the perfect choice to embody this complex role. The other key figure is Doctor Sarah Jones, the lead physician. She is an intelligent and highly focused doctor. She is often exhausted from her extensive shifts, but she is known for being an exceptionally courageous and skeptical leader when dealing with medical emergencies. Jessica Chastain could portray Doctor Jones perfectly, showing her skill and desperation in this crisis. The plot begins when our character Marcus Cole arrived at the emergency room late this afternoon. He was admitted because he had a dangerously high fever and severe respiratory distress. Marcus said he had traveled extensively and felt fine just moments before. The medical team immediately checked him and his blood pressure was dropping quickly. They found strange dark lesions appearing rapidly on his skin, so they decided to place him in total isolation because they, they diagnosed the cause of disease. Right now, the critical action is taking place in the isolation ward. Doctor Jones is running every available test, but the patient's condition is worsening by the minute. The virus is causing massive internal hemorrhaging and his lungs are collapsing very quickly. Sorry. Marcos is struggling desperately to break. The computer is showing that the virus is mutating constantly, rendering all standard protocols useless. Sorry. The hospital staff is receiving alerts about the extremely high mortality rate of the new infection. Doctor Jones knows that they do not have any existing cure or vaccine for this aggressive virus. She believes the only way to save the city is to prevent more people from getting the infection. The movie closes with the sounds of the emergency alarm blaring throughout the hospital. Doctor Jones is looking at the patient through the glass, her expression full of fear and determination, knowing that the terrifying fight for humanity is just beginning. That is the terrifying plot for the contagion. Thank you very much for your time.